We are pleased to show you the 2016 Cooper Convertible. The Cooper Convertible is the drop-down version of the standard Mini Cooper. This is the car that just sips gas. Even if that isn't your concern, the Convertible allows you the same go-kart feel as driving the standard hardtop and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, traction control, Harman Kardon sound system, heated seats, navigation system, air conditioning, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, power steering, aluminum wheels, cruise control. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today. Mini certified pre-owned vehicles are obsessively inspected by the highly skilled Mini technicians. Mini certifies their vehicles in one of two ways. Both include warranty, 24/7 roadside assistance, and the assurance that your Mini has been reconditioned with 100% genuine Mini parts. Talk to your local dealer today to find out more about the Mini Certified Pre-Owned program.